Type in Shao, get a discount off your next holiday. Easy. I'm Shao, a rapper, manga author, and occasional ninja. I'm a huge fan of Japanese anime and manga, food and culture. So I'm traveling the country to show you what Japan is like post-pandemic. Things to do, see, and eat. Don't eat that though. So that hopefully you'll venture outside of the capital and see some of the things this amazing country really has to offer. Welcome to Hello, welcome back. So here we are at the Asakusa Shinto Shrine. I'm absorbing those good vibes, the incense. And the shrine is really special. It's one of two buildings in the area that actually survived World War II bombings. Here we have some good luck charms. You can see those in anime. People queuing up to pray to the temple deities for good luck. And if you've never been to a shrine in Japan or temple, it's definitely worth checking out just for the experience. It's especially popular for New Year's Eve activities where people will draw what's called an omikuji. It's kind of like a fortune which will predict your coming year or the future for you. You take that metal box and you shake it and you draw a mikujibo, which is a small stick. You can see my lovely wife demonstrating for us all. And on that stick will be a number. And you find the corresponding box and draw a piece of paper from within the box, and from that box you'll have your fortune and you read that. And there's a variety of luck statuses that you can get from these fortunes.
If everything goes quite well up to the halfway, there will be no more harm. A bad person may fetch you into the wrong way. There is a good and effective medicine in the vase. Even when you get sick, you can get well soon. Okay.
Small good.
I think they probably need to still work out their localization problems. But anyway, there's different types of luck. Daikichi, kichi, shukichi, shokichi, and kyo, meaning excellent luck, general luck, middle luck, small luck, and bad luck, respectively. And if you do get bad luck, then you can tie it to the musu bidokoro, which is the hanging place to get rid of the luck. But who's crazy enough to go to a different country and get bad luck?
I got bad fortune.
Dude.
Although it seems to be quite safe, everything is full of the coming danger.
Not the coming danger.
So many sadness to be forced to leave from the people with sympathy.
No.
Wind is so hard and makes waves so high. The pair birds should be together always, but they fly separate. Why?
Why?
Your request will not be granted. The patient is hard to get well. The lost article will not be found.
I've
The
been
person
looking for that.
grateful will not come. Building a new house or removal are both half fortune.
Damn.
Start a trip makes a half fortune.
Damn.
Any kind of marriage and new employment are bad.
Well, guess I'm getting divorced.
Screw you, fortune.
So yeah, we're just gonna tie that there. And look, this is another thing that I really like about Japan, because there's nobody there to insist that you pay 100 or 200 yen necessary to get your fortune, but people just pay it. There's just trust in the country, and it's really great to see. So after my terrible fortune experience, we decided to walk to the nearest Don Quijote store. And dudes, honestly, if you've never been to a donkey, you have to in Japan. It's like an everything store. They have got so much stuff. It's really random stuff as well. But before that, tako senbei, flattened octopus rice crackers. I didn't try it, and I really wish I did. So if you see this in Japan, try it. But here we go, the Asakusa Don Quijote. I don't know if that's how they pronounce it in Japan, but that's how I'm pronouncing it. You've got shelves and shelves of whatever you need, really. Japanese products, international products. If you're an anime fan as well, you can find costumes, small figurines, those sorts of things. It's not the place to go for it, but, you know, if you happen to want a Pikachu toothbrush, they got you. And whatever this is, sushi keyring, because we all need sushi on a keyring. Look, I'm lost. I'm just gonna say, just look at the stuff, because it's so baffling. Here's Sanji, if you want that. More Sanji. I just really want you to understand the randomness of this store. This was, I think, floor 3, and there was about 6 or 7 floors of just stuff in different categories, of course, but it's I don't know what to tell you. Itadori Yuji. And like I said, they got costumes here as well in case you want to be Goku or Where's Wally or Naked Man. Yeah, I just go to a Don Quijote store. That's all I can say. It's an experience in and of itself. There you go. Yeah, done. That's it. We're done. Enough Don Quixote. We're done. Let's move on. So yeah, okay. So after that, we hit the train and went over to one of the most famous places in Tokyo for nerd and otaku culture, Akihabara. So I am in one of the nerd capitals of Tokyo, Akihabara. I literally just said that. If you want your figurines, cosplay, your anime, your manga, I do believe this is one of the places you could go. You'll be very happy. Oh, and it smells good around here too. Something is cooking. Yeah, so what he said. Anyway, so first point to mention, the train that we took wasn't able to use the JRL pass, so needed to use cash. Again, make sure you have cash for the trains because they do not take card unless you're buying like a pass, like a day pass or a week pass or something like that. And all of these buildings,
like a department store for it.
Yeah, that. All of these buildings are like department stores. They're full to the brim. Hi. Hi. Yeah, full to the brim of figurines, anime, gaming, pop culture. You'll be very happy. If you're a collector, you're gonna have the best time. It was so difficult not to just throw my wallet at people. Be like, take everything. And so many different poses, costumes. You'd need an entire room. Some people have entire rooms for this stuff. It's addictive. Jinbei. Yeah, so prepare to go broke, I guess. Anyway, at this point, we're just going to nerd out on all of the amazing figurines here. So if you don't want to be a nerd with me, you might want to fast forward the video, stop the video. I don't care. Look, it's cool. Go away. Yeah, let's just look at cool stuff together. Let's go. Bleach. What else we got here? And Naruto. Nice. Jujutsu Kaisen, of course. Yeah. Spy Family, don't put the X in there. Assassination Classroom. Demon Slayer. I love the poses. One Piece, of course, the best. Well, it's going too fast. Dragon Ball, of course. Yeah, back to One Piece. I don't know what Whitebeard is doing to Goku here. Luffy doesn't seem to care. Chainsaw Man. Luffy has a Dragon Ball for something. If you ever wanted a figure of Luffy with a Dragon Ball, there you go. There you go. You know, dream acquired. Katakuri. Studio Ghibli or Ghibli. I don't know. What is it? Tell me in the comments. The Gibbs. Nobody calls it that. My Hero, Bunny Girls. Yeah, that is very risque. Let's be a bit more family orientated. There you go. Anya and your. This was sick. Mine like Killua. I really wanted that one. These guys were down bad. Yeah. there was some very not safe for work figurines here. Yu-Gi-Oh! Demon Slayer again. Hey, Persona. Back to Bleach. They had cards as well. Card games. Zelda. Man like Link. And it wasn't just Japanese stuff as well. You got your Marvel here too. Just highly crafted figurines. Look, we went in when it was light outside. Now it's dark. That's how long we were looking at figurines. And that was one building. There are so many buildings. You would need to allocate a good couple days if you wanted to check. I think a week actually if you wanted to check all the buildings. I don't even think. I don't know. You'd need a lot of money. And just walking past stores, there's even more stuff just inviting you in. These were so dope. So yeah, essentially, if you want to collect your figurines, if you really want to nerd out and get some amazing souvenirs that represent your love of anime and manga, gaming, pop culture, that kind of thing, they've even got Squid Game for some reason, then Akihabara is your place. You've got Bandai, Gashapon. So yeah, like I keep saying, anime is very much baked into the culture, certainly in Tokyo. It's not weird, it's just part of it. So go to Akihabara, have a great time. On the next episode, we're going to go check out Shibuya. So I'll see you there.
Nani. Konnichiwa, guan. They don't understand the slang that I'm on. I don't give a damn to spend the Nihon. When it's hammer time, Shao turn into Shao Kahn. Done it, naze, nani. They don't have a